Hi, my name is Sam. I'm 18 years old, and today I'm going to tell you about my tech journey. I think learning digital skills is extremely important because nowadays, as the world is getting more global and more online, knowing how to effectively do work and to communicate on a computer is paramount to be able to work efficiently. A key pivotal moment in my exploration and my tech journey was actually when I was playing Minecraft and I wanted to download and install some mods for the game, and I had to look up online how do I install this, where do I put the files, what do I do with the files, and I was about 10 years old at the time, right? And that was like the key moment where I really started getting into technology and started getting like a real passion for it. My first memory with technology was when I wrote a little piece of code in a language called AppleScript, which is Apple's own language to interface with their system. And I basically created a little pop-up saying, "Hi, you've been hacked," and then that's it. That was my very first memory with technology. After I wrote that piece of code, I immediately got like a burst of creativity. What can I do with this new skill that I learned, right? How can I use this to make jokes, to make cool things? How far can I push this, basically? I've pushed it quite far since then, actually. I've learned a bunch of new languages to create code for different operating systems at different levels of difficulty. It was my friend who was taking a course at BSD who then said, "Sam, hey, you should check this out. I'm doing this. It's pretty cool. It might interest you." And then I tagged along with him to one of the courses here, and since then, I've just been learning more and more with help from the people here, as well as from the internet and online resources and that kind of stuff. So I'm beginning to see technology being integrated in our school more and more, both in and out of class. For example, I started a coding club at my school every week, Thursdays after school, and I've been running that for about 3 years now. And the first term we did it, we actually had a waiting list of about 40 people. That's 40 people who wanted to sign up but couldn't get in. So there's clearly a massive demand for it. And even apart from that, we had our first inter-house esports at our school, and the science and math department are beginning to use coding languages to properly teach concepts in math and physics. So overall, our school is moving towards that kind of stuff. So first of all, it was a bit of my own passion, right? I wanted to teach coding, I wanted to do coding, right? And I wanted to spread that knowledge to other people in my school. But also because I noticed that there was a distinct lack of that at our school, right? And that this coding club could kickstart that, and it did. I got massive support from everyone, from the school as well, from the teacher who was helping me run the class, as well as BSD who helped me with the platform and support for that kind of stuff. So everyone was immediately on board. A recent project that I built was a Twitch bot. It's a bot that allows a streamer to integrate with his Twitch chat, to do moderation, to do ban words, that kind of things. And I wrote this app in C. And the special thing about C is that it works on Linux. So I built this Twitch bot for the Linux streaming community, which is still pretty small, but it's up and coming, right? And I started this project about 7 months ago, and I'm still working on it now, and I've got collaborators now from all around the world who are helping me with this, and this is getting some serious traction within the community. I do think technology is important in my future because even if I don't go into a technology-based job, I'm still going to need those skills to be able to make my workflow more efficient, or to get my ideas out online, or to be able to network with other people over the internet. So the first step into getting good at technology is to want to get good at technology. And then after you've kind of stoked that fire, you just have to get stuck into it. You just have to try it. You'll screw up many times, but you just keep learning, right? And that's one good thing about technology, is that you can just teach yourself and then just keep learning and keep applying those skills. So my advice, if you want to get good at technology, just start. start somewhere, anywhere, and then go from there.